Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Edward selects three numbers randomly from the following set of five
Don't
numbers.
like old
He
people.
puts them in the form of
I do know, but you like her. She's
proper
young at
fraction
heart,
of
like
the
you.
type
I'm young
a, b,
everywhere, all the
a
parts.
integer b by c.
Sure. When
What
I
is
haven't
the
been placed, I've
probability
had
that you will
tightened,
get a
bleached, or
fraction
trimmed.
greater than 7
Got it.
integer 19 by 20?
So where's the old lady
Now
live?
let us first
Palmdale.
arrange given
Palmdale.
numbers
Ugh.
4, 6,
Is
7,
she married?
8,
Widow.
9.
How'd her
Using
husband
these
die?
five
Heart
numbers,
attack.
Boring.
he has formed
She did actually try to kill him
mixed
once.
fractions.
Oh.
And we
Well, at
have
least we
to
have
find
something in common.
probability that we get a fraction greater than 7 19 by 20. Now when we convert this to decimal number, we get 7.95. So 7 integer 19 by 20 is nothing but 7 9.5. We have to find the sample space from these numbers and find which
Should you give
numbers
me the right
are
address?
greater than
Yeah.
7.95.
1478
So
Amy
let's
Lane.
see, with each
Wait a
number
sec. Isn't Amy Lane the name of the
we
chick
can
having the
make,
party?
let's see, if I start with 4, we can
It
make
may not
4
be Amy
integer
Lane.
6 by 7, 4 integer 6 by
But
8,
we're on
4
Amy
integer
Lane.
6 by
An
9.
amazing
Then
coincidence,
I
huh?
have 4 integer 7 by 8,
Is there somebody you guys can call? I mean, I can call Amy
4
Lane.
integer
If
7
that is
by
in fact her
9,
real name.
and then I have 4 integer 8 by 9. These are the perfect mixed fractions. So with 4 as integer, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different mixed fractions that we can make. Let me write it this way. 4 integer, we have these many fractions. 6 by 7. These many 6 mixed fractions. Now we want favorable outcomes to be greater than 7. So we'll have similarly 5 integer 6 fractions, 6 integer 6 fractions. Now 7 integer, we'll have to find out which one of these are greater than 0.95, 7.95. So let's see, 7 integer 4 by 6, 7 integer 4 by 7, 4 by 8, 7 integer 4 by 9, 7 integer 6 by 8, 7 integer 6 by 9, and 7 integer 8 by 9. These are the 6 fractions, and 8 integer any fraction will be greater than 7.95. So we need not write these. Again 9 integer anything will be greater than 7.95. Wait, 5 is not given, so this I'll need to remove. It's a mistake. So I have removed that. 5 integer is not given, so let's see. Yes, this is the total number of outcomes of this experiment. Now out of these total number of outcomes, 6 these 6 fractions are obviously greater than 7.95 because it starts with 8 integers, so it will be 8 point something, and these 6 fractions are also obviously greater than 7.95 because they start with 9 point something. So we have these 12 fractions greater than given mixed fraction. Now let's see if any of these fractions, 7 integer 4 by 6, 7 integer 4 by 8, any of these are greater than 7.95. So 4 by 6 is, if we convert this to decimal number, let's see, this will be 7.60, 6 are 36. So this will be 7.66 and there will be a bar here. So this is not greater than 7.95. Next is 7 integer 4 by 8. So 7 point, let's see, 7, this is 4 by 8. So 7.5, this is 0.5. This is also not greater than 7.95. Next is 7 integer 4 by 9. So this is 9. 4s are 36. So this will be 0.44 repeatedly. So 7.44 is also not greater than 7.95. Now this is 8 sevens are 56, 8 fives are. So this is 0.75. So we get 7.75 here. This is also not greater than 7.95. Let's see, 6 by 9 is again 0.66 and this will be repeated. So what we have here, 7.66 not greater than 7.95. So this is also not greater. 8 by 9 is, this will be 0.88. So this will be 7.88. So this is also none greater than 7.95. So all the favorable outcomes which are greater than 7.95 are these 12 fractions. And total number of, let's see now, total number of outcomes is equal to 6 for each integer. So 6 for this, 6 for this, 6 for this, this and this. So 6 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 30. Number of favorable outcomes is equal to 12. Therefore, probability will be, we know probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Therefore, that is equal to 12 divided by 30. So, answer is option A.